Hi everyone, this is Sunshine Annie here. This is the DIY composition book planner. This was the last week of February that we just had and the beginning part of March. This is my March calendar page. I also wrote in some special dates. Like I have some things coming up on the end of next week, and then we have daylight savings time. I can't believe it, it's already that time. St. Patrick's Day, first day of spring, the vernal equinox, and Easter is in March this year. Sorry if you hear clicking, that is my dog, my old dog, who just kind of won't settle this afternoon. This is what this week ended up like, because I wanted to put March over here, the first 2 days. I did write a bunch of little things on here, first part of March. This is for this next week. So today, I did have to run some errands this morning. This week, I don't have a ton to journal or plan, excuse me. I will journal in later things that happen and important things. I do have a surprise party dinner on the 5th. Our early release is on Wednesday, and on Saturday we have our last puppy training. And as far as menus, I have not planned a thing. I know how, again, I'm always planning on trying to do salads and be mindful of eating healthier, eating more vegetables, getting more fruits and vegetables in. Always am making healthy choices. That doesn't mean I don't splurge, believe me. I always try to get more movement in. And with that, that's more activity. And my other thing that I always try to put in there is to drink lots of water. Thing is healthy mindset goals. My healthy mindset, like I said before, I am working on online art kind of class called Wanderlust 24. And I'm learning a lot from it, and I'm enjoying it. Sometimes I'm frustrated because it's out of my comfort zone, but I think that's good for us every now and then to get pushed out of our comfort zone. So with that, I've been working in that journal, and I also have been working in my composition book junk journal, art journal. It's kind of morphed from a junk journal to an art journal, and I posted that video last week because some of you had asked. I'm going to be working in my art journals as part of my mindset. I am going to be adding some stuff to the flowers. I don't know if you noticed that I added a little bit. Let me see if I can slide this, pull this down just a little closer. Hang in there. Hopefully that didn't wiggle too much. Didn't make anybody sick to their stomach. So I added in a little bit of white. This, I think, was a Uniball pen, a white Uniball. But, you can use Posca pens. You could use the white Stabilo, might work a little bit on it. It does say paper, glass, plastic, metal that it will work on. That's the Stabilo all in white. They do black, and I think there's other colors too. I'm new with those, but I do like them. I put some white in some of the smaller ones. But yeah, it just gives it some dimension too. I do like to add a little bit of, now I can use this pen on it. This one's okay. And I like to add the little dots that you see on some of these, and it gives it that, because a lot of these will have the little dents in the tops of them. It was kind of making them look like the coneflowers, echinacea. They're not perfectly echinacea, but, and then sometimes I just put a little on, because all of these aren't shaped like the coneflowers, so all of them might not have the dents in the top. They could be rounded, so you can put as many dots as you want on. And this one, you could also do like little, I like to go down on the leaves and sometimes put a little bit of lines, and then I put the white dots. It shows up better like on these lighter purple. I'm in my purple days right now because we're starting to come into spring and we're starting to get the colors coming with plants. I'm actually starting to see under the snow. I have a patch not far from my art room where I can see out, and I'm starting to see little green buds coming up, and I'm so excited because that's where we have daffodils and narcissus and my rhubarb patch, which I absolutely love. But like with these dark colors, the white definitely gives more dimension than the black. The black works great on the yellows and oranges and lighter colors. Posca, it's the 0.7 millimeter, and that does work, and it definitely gives that extra pop to it. I like to put it down on the stem too. Just these lines are so thick that it's not as fine tip. This is the Uniball I use. It says Signo, Uniball Signo. I don't know if it says what the, it doesn't say what the point is, but it does do a nicer little more opaque line, and I like to do a little bit of dots in the corner or on the ends. Again, it just adds that little bit of dimension that makes it pop, I guess. So that's what those are looking like, with a little bit of white and black added. All right, so this is what my page is looking like. I hope you guys have a great week. We're getting into better days, so yay spring. So I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to you commenting on my in the comments, and let me know what you think. Let me know if there's something else you'd like to see. Yeah. So have a great week. Lots of love. Big hugs.